Ready ka na?
Nakikita mo ba? Meron na ako.
Hindi. 7-Eleven. May ano kayong kasama celebrity. Yung ganda mo dyan, Vince.
Si Jenny. Dito. Tignan mo, Besa. Kasi tatakpan ko yung reflector nung ano ko, ng hiking bag. Kasi hindi sa akin yan.
Ay, hindi po. Kasi po ko. Hindi po dito yung ako.
Right.
Selfie po.
Oh, sige na, okay na yan.
Sige. Ang ganda ng scarves mo. Kashmir ba?
Here pa.
Oh. Happy Halloween, guys! Happy Halloween!
Ito pala pa ba? Papasok.
Wow! It's like a tunnel. So cute! Tunnel. Ay, hindi pala yung cave. Ayun na yun! Like, grabe talaga. Hindi mo makikita sa cellphone na mataas na po kami.
Ay, mas mataas na tayo ngayon.
One of our Sagada trip, and we're currently traversing the road to
Ano,
the
upside down?
Sagada entrance. And we're currently looking for the upside down house. Yeah, we can't find it for some reason. I think it's already it's been fixed. It's been fixed, yes. Look, oh, we're so up high.
Guys, we're very high.
Yeah, we're high.
Say no to drugs pala. Bakit pala dito? Hi, guys.
Street dog ka ba? Street dog?
Yun yung dog, oh, ito.
Barrow will borrow. IG. Ito na ba yung hiking?
Ito na yun eh, tapos mabibigat yung dala. Wow!
Ooh! Ayun po sila. Ayan ang kanilang situation.
Wow, nice oh!
Ay, ang ganda mo niya. Maganda mag-picture dito. Ay, ang perfect.
Hindi ko napansin pa sila pala siya. Sobrang kakala.
Ala, hindi ko na makakaano yan. Aray ko.
Akala ko malamig. Talaga pa akong jacket. Volume.
And then check out time is at 10. Nakakuha na ng ano.
Room tour. Wala, si Po talaga. Very comfy na si Po. Ayun, sige, sinakal. Ayun ang gusto ko, sinakal si Po. Sleeping na sila, guys. What's your reklamo?
Walang wifi, walang signal, walang ilaw sa banyo,
No
walang
aircon.
aircon.
Yeah.
Yung may weighing scale, walang battery.
Ayun.
All in all, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Pepe, galingan mo.
Pero ang ganda naman din ng place. So,
Kaya pala siya. Kulang kape.
walang kape sa ano.
Sa?
Ano yung, wag kalimutan ang gagawin.
Yes, ang gagawin.
Hi guys.
Ay, video ba yan?
Oo. Cute, diba? Guys, are you wet?
I'm wet na. I'm super wet.
This is my wet look.
Picture tayo, picture tayo.
Aww.
Yung mushroom yogurt.
Dalawa.
Rotini. Dalawa po.
What's your order?
Bolognese rotini. Ay, nangamati siya.
Aww. Are you itchy, Cassie?
Kasi.
Ay, pinangalan na talaga sa kanya. Oh, yun na to. Where are we?
We're in yogurt. Yogurt.
Dance now if you want me. Let's start. There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we are so perfect? We're in every way. I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your babe. I don't wanna fade away.
Ay, bigla talagang lumalayas yung kaibigan. Parang talagang dinilaan ng ano yung ulo ko. Ayun, naspatan na. Sige na po. Go, Jean. Oo nga. Going back na sila. Busog na siya, oh. Busog ka na, te. Busog na, busog na, busog. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Hey guys. Kaudong. Gusto ko yung nag-update ka. Ay, perfect. Dapat binidyo ko kita nag-open ka dyan.
Saan mo ulit eh?
Oh, sarado. Hulog. Go.
Wow.
Ay, walang welcome.
Welcome to the shrine. Enter, please.
Enter. Akala mo na.
Mayos kami. Tapos, this one, small, big.
Ako, tingnan ako. Para may tubig.
Ang small na lang yan. Para concentrated. Sinayo mo na.
Nakikita kasi po ulo nito.
Ay, ang fake dyan. Ang ganda dyan. Silaw na silaw si Ate Rita. Good morning, everybody. Nandun no yung fog talaga nandun.
Ay, no, tumataas. Yun nga lang sa may ibabaw ng ano.
Dito nakalimutan ako.
Hindi, nakalimutan ko si A, princess.
Bakit ka ganyan?
Sa church, may pamalik ko.
Ha?
May pamalik.
Okay.
Meron natin makatama.
One scream.
Ay, tita, para kang ano dyan, endorser ng coffee.
Next topic.
Kasi lalo kayo.
Hi, Jean. Hi, guys. Hello. Parang ang lungkot niya. Parang isama niyo na ako. Oh! Cotton camp! Cotton camp! May footage! Ala, ano? Ala, may CCTV sa likod. Makita ka
Dapat kami yung hinihingal.
Hindi kasi ito araw-araw.
Mario Sip.
Sus, wait lang, sus.
Wiyo, wiyo.
So, may picture taking area dito. Pwede din mag-jump shot.
Ay. Ate. Ay, ayun na. Ayun. Ayun na mga supportive, supportive na.
Baka naman ma-shoot ka dyan.
I'ma put her in a dungeon under. No, them bitches ain't eating it, dying of hunger. Who the fuck am I me? Who the fuck is this hoe? And yes, maybe just a touch of tolerance. Give my words, territory, get my barrettes.
Take your medication, Roman. Take a short vacation, Roman. You'll be okay. You need to know your station, Roman. Some alterations on your clothes and your brain.
Hey guys.
Sa cross na po. So yung igurot namin, nanggagaling yan sa ancestor. Sa highest ng cross na makikita natin pagbaba na. Kung may other questions ko po. Ano pa sila ngayon?
Pwede pa magpalibing ngayon.
Beside me, it's only a dream, a vision of what used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, only reminds me of you. I needed more freedom, that's what I thought. I was a fool to believe my heart lied while you cried rivers of tears. But I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it means so much more. I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you.
Saka na iba yung name, hindi sa kanya.
Ay, sayang dit pala.
Lapit na sa kanya.
Wow. Ayun pala, pwede pala. Pictures.
Hey, friend.
Tumatago ako
Trolley.
Dito na lang po ako sa Pinas.
Ang aking friend na ano talaga pa.
Outfit.
Okay, check. Ma'am, aircon? Aircon!
Kuha na lang yan, dalawa. Dalawa. Para sa'yo.
Hindi ba i-close yung door?
Hindi talaga siya gumagalaw.
Teka mo ka dito.
Hindi siya gumagalaw.
Pwede ka na tanong. Mahahangin ko, Vincent and Dior.
Hindi ka pwede doon.
Hindi ka pala natural.
Hindi ka na natural na namatay.
Doon ka sa ano.
Saka punta, Jean?
Yung.
Yogurt! Ay, iba pala si ano pala yun.
Ay, yogurt na yun. Parang siniknik.
Ayaw niya ano.
Maganda.
Aren't you?
Yes.
Ano yun yung magandang...
We're back at the yogurt.
So why...
I mean, we're gonna go. Doon pa, sa unahan.
You what? You feel? I feel tower. Okay. Do you feel me, guys? I feel you.
Oo nga, tita, go. Correct.
Ano, cafe? Ang saya.
Surgery ko na kayo. Kaya hindi na nauulit. Sabi kasi nila ko, okay lang.
난 부를 거야. 아마 날 부를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습을
Hindi.
Nakakuha na naman sa video. Santos. Wala kang kawala sa kasama mong vlogger. Wala kang kawala dito. Lahat ng galaw mo.
Ako yung... Yan.
Sa likod yan, sa likod, sa likod yan.
Yard. Tanggalin mo yard.
Mainit dito, guys.
Ganda pa na.
Tingnan niyo.
May bread pang hawak sa Jean.
You put down the phone. You've nowhere to go. Get back on the road. Yeah, it's so dotted line, the red stop sign. No room to go slower. You do it today, you do it again in a week. You're a fake, you're a freak, you're a parasite sucking a leech. Come on, man.
We're going outside to have coffee. We'll have coffee outside, guys.
Mount Mountain always felt so pretty. And no one was standing pole postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. But I just always try to fit in.